Hi, my name's Jerry Rowe. I'm the owner of Rowe Manufacturing here in Central Florida. We're a small, medium-sized job shop. We have about 17 employees now, and we have about 23 different CNCs that we utilize. I never wanted to run a lot of parts because that was my background, running thousands and thousands of pieces. So we take smaller orders, like between 1 and 200 or 300 pieces. That way it's a little bit something different every day. A lot of times people think that when you have a big multitask machine that you have to do bigger parts. You don't always have to do bigger parts. You can utilize the tool capacity to do a lot of different options. This is a part that we do that because of the angle, you can't do on a standard 6-axis machine. You got to go to a 9-axis mill turn. So we can rotate the head and we can put in the angular pocket with no problem at all. So this part's made complete on the machine. Also, even smaller stuff, you can utilize parts like this, again, only because of the tool change capabilities. To make this part, you need 17 tools. Won't fit on your standard turret. So we use the MX to actually, just using it for the multiple tool positions. Then we do a wide range of materials, aluminum, stainless, and also plastic. This is a Delrin cap, so it's just got an Acme thread on the inside. This is made on my Puma 2600B, which has the big bore so I can fit 4-inch bar capacity through it. So now I can hold it. One of the problems with plastic is distortion. If you cut it into pieces and try and clamp it, that pressure goes into the part. So you want to get rid of it, so now you can hold on to the whole bar. So a lot of different options, a lot of different possibilities. This is our latest purchase. It's a Doosan Smx 2600 ST. So the machine comes with a turret on the bottom, and it comes with the milling head on the top. So you can actually run the two simultaneously, kind of like a twin turret machine is based on. So it saves you a lot of time on secondary operations. The reason for the purchase, it's a little bit larger than our old machines, so I get a little bit more Y-axis travel. There's one particular job, it's one of those parts that I want to make complete. Right now we're having to take the part off the regular MX and move it over to a mill to finish it out, where this machine can do it all in one shot. So this is my first Doosan machine, which was a Daewoo back then. At the time we were running a job in 304 stainless steel, and we were trying to push a 2.5-inch insert drill into the material with a Mazak 18N. Machine would stall constantly because it didn't have enough Z-axis thrust. So this was a used machine that my previous employer purchased, and I decided to try to run the job over here, and this machine just ate it up. So that's what sold me on Doosan from the beginning. The reason I choose Doosan is for the dependability, reliability, and their basically capabilities. When you put them up against other machines for comparable price, very good bang for the buck. We've had a great relationship with APT. I've been buying machines off them in the whole 10 years they've been in existence here in Florida. The service is fantastic. They're local. You don't have to wait 2 weeks to get somebody into your facility. Everybody gets along fantastic. It's a good relationship. It's almost like being family instead of just being corporate partners.